Hi guys, postman's bin. Got a little package that I want to open before we go out because we're actually just going out. Obviously there's some charity shop stuff there that I've got to go through as well, but we'll just open this because I want to see what's inside. Well, that failed, didn't it? Brilliant. It should be a clock, a little one. Yeah. Actually, stock held in Ireland. And obviously it's Chinese, but it must be one of their ways of getting around the delivery time. Hold some stock locally. There we go. A little clock. Oh, that's actually metal. I didn't expect that. I thought it'd be plastic. Oh gosh. Well, that's better than I expected. Well, it's not what I expected. I expected cheap plastic, and that is obviously the clock mechanism out of the sort of thing you'd see in those ornaments and that people have a clock stuck in the front of an ornament. I could have done with one of them probably last year or the year before, where I made a Houses of Parliament Big Ben tower, and I bought a watch to cut it apart, so I actually had the face for the clock. Yeah, that was less than a couple of pounds, I think. That was cheap. I was really looking at things that I could use on my potato batteries and that sort of thing. I just spotted this was really cheap, so I thought I'd buy one. They actually advertise them as being stuck on your dashboard for your car if you don't have a clock in your car. Yeah. Most cars have clocks nowadays. Yeah, that's the one that I cut a watch apart. So I got my Big Ben clock. That would have done the job. I just slide that out. Yeah, you can see I've just got an ordinary watch inside, or at least one that I've cut apart to fit. Excellent. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.